starts flashing at 7,000 RPM, which you can see here. That's when this white light starts flashing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try increase it. No, not 16,000, that's a lot. Oh shit, what am I doing? Wait. It should go back to the RPM. Yes, okay, so I must press and hold the RPM, and then as this one's flicking, I then will start moving it, not to 40. I think the max torque here, probably get it like 11,000, 11 and a half, eh? After 11, you're not really getting much more power or much more torque. So I'll say it should, I think I'll set it at 12. If I get to 12, I should be changing up, eh?